Hi, in this video I am going to share you 4 functions. First of all, we can start with the today functions in order to get today's date. So equals today, open bracket, then close bracket. We will get the today's date. If I want to change the date format, click on format, go to date starting with the date, month and year. So I can pick this format so that it changed. So now on the last video we got the total results. Now we total marks. Now we need to know how to get the result. We have two results, whether it's passed or failed. So we can use here if functions. If functions can check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will get the one result, otherwise different result. So open bracket, go to if, then click on the cell. If the condition, if the marks less than 70, then fail. So first one is logic test, means the condition we are writing. If the condition value is true, if the condition is true, first our condition, if it's less than 70, if less than 70, the person is going to fail. So I write here fail. Else, if not true, then the person is going to pass. So write on pass, open double quotes, write on pass, close the bracket. Let's see, the first person is less than 70. So we got the result, only 2% fail, remaining all are passed. So now we learn if functions. It's based on condition. If the condition is true, then pass, otherwise the person will fail. So now I will show you count and count a function. What is the difference between count function and count a? Count function will count all the numbers as well as dates. So let's see how it works. First we can start with count functions. So equals count, open bracket, drag, press F4 to lock the cells. If you lock the cell, then see it's 6 count, only total number of marks in the 6 cells, total in the 6 cells. It will not count in the blank cells. See, it's 5 now. Now we can go through dates. Equals count, click on date, only one date we are here. So we got the result of 1, only one cell it count. In case I go through text, see it's 0, cannot count text, it only counts numbers and dates. So we can go through count A, count text, numbers as well as dates, everything except blank cells. See how it works. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for your time.